they smell the same, guys. I won't be repurchasing this product anymore. And just little can go a long way. I think that's one of the reasons I like it. So there's not a lot of product in it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is IBKinx. In this video, I'm going to be ranking my favorite Fenty skin products from the least favorite to the ones I like the most. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Before I actually delve into all the products, I just like to say that I like Fenty. I used all 7 products that they had. At the time I was filming this video, there's one product which just came out like a week or 2 ago, but it's not available in my country right now, so I haven't used it yet. As a person of color who is new to using skincare religiously, I decided to opt for Fenty Skin because, well, frankly, Rihanna. Yeah, and I like the fact that it all comes in packages, so you know what every day you have, like steps, and you see people of color using this, like you see this in their ads and everything, so you know that it will, there's a possibility, a high probability that it will work for your skin because you see people obviously your same skin type using this product. So I decided Fenty Skin is actually the good place, or a very safe place to start from. So yeah, I've been using this for 3 to 4 months now, so I think I have used it enough to know what I would continue using and some products that I would not be using again. And one good thing about Fenty Skin is that most of their products are not just one product for one use. It's usually 2 in 1, 3 in 1, and they are health conscious. You have they are refillable, and I just like that about the brand. So yeah, I'm starting out using the same skin line because I understand that using the same brand for your cleansing, your moisturizing, your treatment, it's a good idea because these products complement each other. So that's why I opted for the whole line of Fenty, just for trial. Yeah, without any much further ado, let's delve into my first least favorite product from Fenty Skin. Please bear in mind, these are my opinions. It could be different for you, but these are my opinions. This is what I feel about these products. Disclaimer right here. Thank you. The first one is the Buff Rider. Oh my goodness, ads looked so good, and I guess that's the advertisement guys are doing a very good job. But honey, this product is too expensive. Number 1, there's not enough product in it. Number 2, and number 3, it's not buffing, riding anything. The pros of this product are it moisturizes after it exfoliates, so it exfoliates and it moisturizes. But the thing is that it's not very effective. It's not giving me what I want. Just a huge no for me. I would not be rebuying this product. I bought it to try it out, but I will not be using it anymore. No. Also, the smell. The smell is not bad. The smell is not good. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just there. I don't know. This product was just a miss for me. It's not a hit at all. So a huge no to Buff Rider. If you like it, wow, kudos to you. I won't be repurchasing this product anymore. Another product from my least favorite, number 6. It's a tongue twister, guys. Butter Drop Whipped Oil Body Cream. Okay, this is the thing, right? This is actually not a bad product. It's actually moisturizes. Ooh, it's a very good moisturizer. It's a body butter, like it gives you that buttery feeling, like it is so buttery. It smells like Cantu's leave-in conditioner. If you have this and you have Cantu's leave-in conditioner, just smell both side by side. They smell the same. Same thing, they smell the same, guys, but this one has more margarine smell in it, like combination of this with margarine, like the ones you use in cooking or baking. That's what it smells like. This one has some perfume in it that maxes. I don't even know what I'm comparing this to. Ooh, sorry. Let's move on with this video. Stick, it has a very good consistency. I actually do not hate this product, to be honest. It's just that I am a cheapskate, and most of my products, right, I ensure, like I mentioned earlier in this video, most of Fenty stuff I was like 2 in 1, 3 in 1, but this is just a 1 product kind of situation. Most of my body lotions I actually use on a daily basis, like previously before I started trying out Fenty's line. Actually, this is my second tub of this. It's not bad actually. I have a few, like I would definitely be using it. I'll be repurchasing this. It's just not going to be like a staple everyday body lotion for me. The reason is because I like my lotions to have SPF in it. Most of my lotion that I use daily have SPF in it. No matter how little the quantity of SPF is, even if it's as little as SPF 15, I'm good to go. Because honestly, for day to day, quick in the morning, going out, coming in, I don't really have time to like layer my body care, or like that's one of the reasons why I feel like this one will really work for me on a daily basis. And also, did I mention I'm a cheapskate? So I like products that have 2-in-1. So it moisturizes and it also gives you like, it has sunscreen. I would love the Fenty body care like that. That will be amazing. If Rihanna ever hears this, please give me a lotion that has SPF in it. Thank you. Okay, so the 5th product on my list, sadly, is the sunscreen Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. The names of these products are long, bruh. Okay, so this Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer, I love this product because of 2 things. Oh, actually, for more things, actually more than 2 things. Number 1, it is a moisturizer. Number 2, it has sunscreen in it. Number 3, refillable, baby. Ooh. Ooh. So once this is finished, I can just buy a new refillable, just put it in. Health conscious, baby. Yeah, I like that about the whole Fenty skin line. I think I mentioned that already. Okay, so the reason why this is sitting on number 5, which is in the lower part of the 7, is because of a lot of people say, or the ads say, that this SPF doesn't give you flashbacks. I personally do not agree with that. Well, I've found a hack around it to make sure I don't get flashbacks. I would show you actually in this video. It's going to show. What I do is that I make sure that my previous skincare step dries up and absorbs into my skin before using this SPF, this moisturizer stroke SPF. That's 1. Number 2, I don't use as much as I would want to. I use like just 3 drops, like 3 puffs, or however you want to say. Just 3, sometimes 2, but most of the time just 3. And I use that all over my face and have to rub it in, massage it in, rub it in, massage it in for it to actually blend in, because it leaves like a white cast sometimes. So those are the things I do to make sure it doesn't have white cast. That's the only reason why I do not like it, because once I'm rushing in the morning, I don't have time to be conscious of how many puffs I put, or massaging in before I head out the door, and that is not very convenient for me. But the reason why I will continue purchasing this product is because of the 2-in-1 moisturizer plus SPF. That's the only reason. So if they could change the consistency to not have white cast and actually do what it says it's gonna do, like in the ads, that would be really good for me. Snap instant eye cream. Next product on my list. Okay, so this product here, the reason I like it is because it gets rid of puffiness. Like once your eyes are puffy, it actually, I don't know how it works, but it works. That's all I know it does. Like the puffiness, you know, it reduces puffiness. At least you notice that in the first week you use it, it's very noticeable when you start using it. That it actually does that. For dark eye circles, I don't think so. I personally do not really have, I don't really have dark circles. I don't think I do, but it comes in a very small tube. But usually most eye creams come in really small containers, so I think that's not really a bad thing. That's the only con I have. The fact that I don't see changes in dark circles, or and then the size of the tub itself. But one thing I love, like the best part of this product, is the fact that this is how it comes. I don't have to touch the product. Most eye creams come in like small jars that you have to dip your hands into it, or it comes with like a scoop. But this is just the best. Like, this is ingenious or genius or whatever. It's really good. This hit the mark. Yeah. Yeah, I really love the fact that you don't have to touch the product, so you don't contaminate the products. So that is really good. One reason why I like this product. Number 3 on my list is this total cleanser. It's a makeup remover face wash, because I use it to wash my face every day. It's everything. I love this product. There's nothing I do not like about it. It's really good. I love it. And I like the fact that it's a twist cap. You just twist it. You twist and you close it. It's so stress-free. Like, you can even leave it like this, open the cap twisted open all day, and nothing will happen to your product. Like, if you're rushing in the morning or something like that, it's really good. This actually very creative, like so smart. This is so smart. I wish people thought of this earlier. I don't know, just a twist cap. Like, I love it. That's all. And the fact that it's 2-in-1 product, like a makeup remover and a face cleanser, face wash, which I use it for. It's really good. Do I hate anything about this product, total cleanser? No, I actually do not, because even a pea-size amount can wash your whole face. Like, just a pea-size amount can actually wash your whole face. So I don't have, like, this is one of the products that I don't have. There's no con at all. Everything are pros. They're all pros. I don't have a con for this total cleanser. Thank you, Rihanna. Okay. This next product, number 2, just like number 3, I don't think I have a con for this product. Is the Overnight Reset Coverage Gel Cream. It's a game changer for my skin. Like, it is a game changer. Initially, right, when I got into Fenty, I bought the top three, which was the first 3 rather, which were the total cleanser with the fat water and the SPF. And then I realized that my pimples were clearing up. Like, I didn't used to get, like, usually I don't get a lot of pimples, to be honest, and to be fair. But I realized during the times when I get pimples, which are during my period, right, it clears it up. Like, I don't see the scars afterwards. It clears it up like in one day. It's really good. Then I introduced the Overnight Reset, and my skin just, I don't know, I began to love what I was seeing. It was juicy, it was moisturized in the morning. And let me tell you, a huge tip is that ensure that you use your skincare, like any night skincare you want to use, actually in general, but make sure like you use it 4 hours before you go to bed, so that the pillow doesn't just rub off all the work you did. But 4 hours is like a lot, right? So I make sure like at least more than an hour before I go to bed, I have my skincare, my nighttime skincare on my face, so that it actually absorbs and starts to work. So yeah, the only thing I am hoping, or actually I'm not hoping on Fenty to fix, because I realized that it may not do that, is my ingrown hairs. I have like a few ingrown hairs on my chin. I think I'm going to do a video about it, because I'm using another product for it. I just started using it about a few weeks ago, but if it works well, I would do like a review on that. But it's not a Fenty product. So yeah, if you want to see that, please leave a comment just type in the comments if you want to see the product I'm using for my ingrown dark spots on my chin. If it works, definitely I'll share with you guys. Leave a comment about that. Give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it so far, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you've watched to this extent, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get back into it. Another reason why I like this product, this overnight skincare, is the fact that you don't have to use your hands. Number 1, it has like this pulley, whatever, you fetch the product with. However, the product is very little. Most of these skincare products, their products are so tiny. Like, so there's not a lot of products in it. But anyway, so yeah, I have this. And just little can go a long way. I think that's one of the reasons I like Fenty Skin. Little, you don't have to put so much. It will go a long way. Like, just a tiny half of this pulley. That's what I use. I don't use a lot. I told you I'm a cheapskate, bro. Yeah, so I really love what this is doing to my skin. It leaves my skin moisturized overnight, and it just makes me glow in a way. I don't know how, but I like it. Yeah, I'll be using this a lot. If you've been watching this video since X, and you already know my number one product is the fat water. I love this fat water. Even before I started using skincare religiously, I've always been into toners, serums, like face mist, like stuff that would actually rejuvenate my skin and moisturize, not basically moisturize it, just bring hydration basically to my skin. And I found fat water. This fat water is so good. It's a nice toner because my skin, I realized, it's been evening out. Like I used to have like pigmentation across my skin, but I think it's evening out. I don't know, maybe I'm just deceiving myself, but I think it's working. Like I mentioned, right, the first 3 products I started using, I cleared all like most of my spots on my face and my pimples, like the scars that pimples will leave. It actually helped out together with the night cream. So I think this had a huge role to play. I don't know which exact product, because I used the first 3 at the same time. I used the cleanser, the fat water, and the SPF all at the same time, all 3 at once. So I'm not sure which of them, but this really, I love this. Like every day I ensure I use this. And one hack I learned: don't dry out your face after you finish cleansing it out, like washing your face. Don't dry it out completely with the towel. Just allow it to be slightly wet before you add this in, and ensure that your fat water is absorbed into your skin, like completely absorbed into your skin before you use your next step, which is probably your moisturizer or your treatment or whatever it is you're using next on your skin. So yeah, this is a game changer. I also like the fact that it's a twist cap. Yay! I love twist caps. So easy to maintain. Like, and again, another good thing about it is that you don't have to use a cotton pad to use a serum. You just use your hands and you're good to go. It's absorbs right back. Like it doesn't leave any residue on your skin. Like it's not sticky, it's not slimy, it's not slippery. It's just, I don't know how she did it. It's literally water, but serum and a toner. Okay, I think that's all the products I have here. In due time, I'm going to get the hand mask. I think that just came out a week or so ago, and once it's available in my country, I'm going to get it. And I want to actually know, because I haven't used the hand mask before. That would be interesting because my hands need to be softer, right? So when I shake your hands. Okay, I think that's all I have time for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way again, my name is IBKinx. Stay safe. Bye.